Is this the Home Depot? Japan? What's going on, guys? Today I'm gonna show you the Home Depot of Japan, at least. She's filming me. Today we're gonna check out the Home Depot of Japan. It's kind of a special one for me, at least it caught my eye, because I used to work at Home Depot way back when I lived in Sacramento. So this is for all you Home Depot peeps. There's another store that's more popular, a more popular hardware store in Japan, but this one is, at least the outside so far, I haven't been inside yet, looks to be very similar to Home Depot's. Okay, fun fact, guys. Me and Kit actually met. We both worked at Home Depot and we both worked in garden. We're going into the garden center and here's what the store looks like. Okay, so right away we have some outdoor plants. We got some gravel. Bags are a little different. Measurements are a little different. People use a lot of recycling bins and stuff in Japan, so that's what this is. Here's some pots. Okay, so this is just the outside of the store. Let's go ahead on the inside. Reveal. Boom. It smells like a hardware store. Look familiar, guys? It's a Ryobi lawnmower, very small. Yeah, they have some of the same brands. I think Ryobi here, though, is actually good. All right, let's see how many brands are familiar. So we have Makita, we have Kumimoku, we have Ryobi, another Ryobi, Makita, Ryobi, another unfamiliar brand, Earthman, sanders and polishers. We got Bosch, of course, more Makita, more Ryobi. Oh, here's a Hitachi, another Kumimoku, chainsaws. We have Top Sun, that sounds like a cheap brand. And it is, it's actually the cheapest one. Echo, of course, that's a Ryobi. And that's a Black & Decker, which is the cheapest electric one. Oh no, it's not. The cheapest electric one is Yamazen. So Kit came over here and she's like, I could hear you from 3 aisles over, but it's okay because no one understands me. Here is the appliances. That looks nice. Oh, very Japanese style kitchen appliances and bathroom vanities. There's me. Best thing about Japan, and of course you can get them here, bidet toilets. You could spray your butt and clean it. Makes sense when you really think about it. I mean, if you got shit on your arm, would you just wipe it off? Probably not. You'd wash it off. I mean, that's what a bidet is for your ass. All right, so let's go into some of the unique things at this hardware store that would be really strange to find in like Home Depot or something. So first thing is clothes. Well, these are gloves. That's not unique. Nice clothing, t-shirts. Look at here's socks. Look at there's jackets and stuff. They have a whole clothing section in this hardware store. Look at this. They also have sports stuff. These are like tennis rackets and gloves and bats and look at skateboard. Does Home Depot sell skateboards? Okay, we do have barbecue skewers but they have a lot more for like camping gear here too. They actually sell exercise equipment and tents for camping. Something else that's interesting is they have shoes, whole shoe section, and these actually have the little cut for the thongs. But look at this, it's a whole shoe section inside this hardware store. They have laptop cases and bags here. They have suitcases. Guys, they have printing supplies, printer paper, scissors. Look at, they have computer mouse, mice. I guess hardware stores mix office supplies in them because there's been a lot of office supplies in this store. Ah, yes, Japanese mattresses. Guys, they sell TVs here. I don't even know what to call this store anymore. It's supposed to be equivalent to Home Depot, but like they have electronics, they have office supplies, they have a bunch of bedroom furniture and stuff, a bunch of bathroom stuff here. Look at this. Toothbrushes and shavers and hair supplies, hair dryers, Japanese appliances. Look at the hot water pots, which are amazing. Toaster ovens, rice cookers, standard in any Japanese household. What are these? Oh, these are dishwashers. That's right, most houses here don't have a full-size dishwasher. Okay, this is like the weirdest thing to have in a hardware store. You could actually buy pets in this hardware store, because where else do you get your pets than at your local hardware store? They sell cats too. Oh guys, they sell dogs here. So I guess it's like a variety store or something. I'm in the drink section. These are all drinks, like legit drinks, like teas and waters. And so that's something that Home Depot doesn't sell. They actually sell alcohol here. Here's wines. Look at, here's little shots of things. No hardware store would be complete without women's things. Okay, they have a bunch of like medicine here too. I'm not really sure what to call this store anymore. That half is like all normal sort of hardware stuff, and this half is like alcohol and pets and medicine. Hey, they actually sell bikes here. And while you're here picking up your hardware, you can get your car fixed. And in Japan, of course, there's vending machines everywhere. These two are inside the car repair area of this hardware store. Speaking of vending machines, I just walked a little bit. There's a couple more in this store. We have an ice cream vending machine and a coffee vending machine. Pretty cool, if I must say. So the final verdict of this hardware store, pretty cool, very interesting. Where else are you gonna buy your pets and liquor in the same place? Now, a lot of people would really be happy if Home Depot or something sold alcohol.
Especially the employees.
Yeah, exactly. Here, you can buy a drill, some hammer and nails, and a case of beer. Oh, and also a dog, because you could buy that here too. Yeah, guys, that was a Japanese hardware store. If you want to see more about Japan, go ahead and subscribe, follow me. I'm going to be making all kinds of cool content from an American perspective on how an American kind of sees Japan. What are the cool things about this country? So go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.